Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and while I really want to prepare my beverages at the ideal temperatures, it can be so time consuming and overwhelming trying to get the right one. But this Homtone Gooseneck kettle completely eliminates all the guesswork. It comes in a classic, high quality, timeless stainless steel look that blends well with any kitchen decor. It has 6 preset temperature settings that I can easily toggle through and that are ideal for different needs and beverages. This feature makes this kettle great for so many uses. Of course, it makes awesome pour over coffee, but it does so much more than that. I can throw a tea party with a perfectly prepared pot of herbal tea. I definitely noticed a big improvement in the taste of my green tea using the green tea temperature setting. I noticed that it has way less bitterness, but it tastes more mellow and pleasant. The straight up boiling function is great for anything you need boiling hot water for, like a noodle cup. Something that is really cool about this kettle is that I can use it the standard way to achieve the temperatures, or I can use the handy keep warm function. This is very helpful for me for those times when I'm really busy, but I want the temperature of the water to be just right and ready for break time. If you want to put away your thermometer and make all your beverages at the exact right temperature, this Homtone Gooseneck kettle is just the one to help you to take your beverages up a notch. And that's my point of view.